All right, today we're tackling a classic travel challenge. How do you conquer a city like San Francisco in just a single day? Well, we found the ultimate walking tour that literally connects all the iconic sites, and we're going to break it all down for you step by step. You know the feeling, right? It's the ultimate traveler's problem. You have one day, in a legendary city like San Francisco, a place just jam-packed with landmarks. So how do you possibly see the best of it without getting hopelessly stuck in traffic or completely lost on public transit? How do you really connect all those famous dots? The answer, believe it or not, is actually super simple. You walk it. I mean, walking lets you feel the city at street level. You get to soak up its energy, find all those hidden gems between the big sites. And the route we're exploring today, it's basically the treasure map for that exact journey. A path that's designed to show you the absolute best of SF, all on your own 2 feet.
So what are we really getting into here? Before we start putting one foot in front of the other, let's look at the key numbers, so you know exactly what you're in for.
First up, the distance. We're looking at 9.2 miles. Yeah, it's a solid trek for sure, but it's that kind of perfect length where at the end of the day, you'll feel like you've really, truly earned that incredible view of the city.
And how long is all that walking gonna take? The official time is just under 3 hours and 40 minutes. And that's the key right there. It's quick enough to fit into one day, but it leaves you plenty of time to actually stop, explore, and, really soak in the vibe at each spot. Okay, so what's the big payoff for all this walking? Well, you're gonna hit 5, count them, 5 world-famous destinations. You'll see the buzzing shops of Union Square, the amazing culture of Chinatown, the lively piers of Fisherman's Wharf, those picture-perfect painted ladies, and of course, the grand finale, the Golden Gate Bridge itself. Okay, let's get walking. The first leg of our journey cuts right through the energetic heart of downtown San Francisco. It's going to take us from the city's commercial core all the way to its famous waterfront. We kick things off in the high-end hustle and bustle of Union Square, but what's cool is that within just a few minutes you'll feel the whole city shift as you walk right into the vibrant, historic streets of Chinatown. And from there, the path just pulls you toward the smell of salt water and the sounds of the sea lions down at Fisherman's Wharf. And listen, this isn't just some vague, head north kind of direction. The route is super precise, guiding you down specific city arteries like Geary and Kearny streets. You're literally walking the actual paths that locals use to get between these iconic neighborhoods. All right, so after you've navigated the city's urban core, the walk kind of shifts gears. Now we're entering the postcard section of the journey. Yeah, this is the part where you're going to be taking all of your most iconic photos. And that brings us to our final 2 stops. After experiencing all that energy downtown, the route guides you toward those classic, absolutely unforgettable views that really define the San Francisco skyline. First up, the famous postcard row. You'll round a corner and then bam, there they are, the beautiful painted ladies, with that modern city skyline just rising up right behind them. It's got to be one of the most photographed views in the entire city, and this walk takes you right to the perfect spot to see it. And then you reach it, the finish line, the one landmark this entire 9.2-mile journey has been building towards, the Golden Gate Bridge. It's the ultimate reward, that iconic silhouette that just perfectly caps off your epic walk across San Francisco.
So, there you have it. The route, the sights, the stats, everything. We've walked through the plan together. But you know what? The most important part is making this journey your own.
Think about it. In a single day, with less than 4 hours of actual walking, you're not just seeing the best of San Francisco, you're experiencing it. You're feeling its hills, you're discovering its neighborhoods up close. It's just a really powerful way to connect with a place. So, after seeing this whole path laid out, there's really only one question left to ask. Are you ready to start your own San Francisco adventure? And to make it happen, don't worry, we've got you covered. The source for this whole explainer has the link to the full interactive route in Google Maps with every single turn you need to take. Your treasure map is just sitting there waiting for you. Go have an adventure.